Hi again. So now I'm going to make a video on how to solve a quadratic equation. With this one happens to be a quadratic equation without a leading coefficient. So very first thing when we're solving equations, we need to make sure that it's equal to 0, which it is in this case. So our next step is to factor our trinomial. We've got x squared plus 2x minus 3. And we're going to factor this. These are the easier ones to factor. We're going to set up our x factor, which on the top here we can do a times c. So this is like 1 times negative 3. So we've got negative 3. And on the bottom we have our b, so 2. So to fill out this x factor, we're looking for two factors of negative 3 that add up to 2. So in this case, we're going to have positive 3 and negative 1. So now to factor this trinomial, all we need to do is fill in x plus 3 times x minus 1. And it's still equal to 0. So once we have it factored, to solve for 0, to solve for our variable, to solve for x, we need to set each of these factors equal to 0. So let's start with x plus 3 equals 0, and then let's do x minus 1 equals 0. Now for each of these expressions, we are going to solve for x. So over here with x plus 3 equals 0, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. We get x is equal to negative 3. And then on this equation here, we're going to add 1 to both sides. We get x is equal to 1. So we get two different answers, which with a quadratic equation is absolutely fine. And so our answers are going to be x is equal to negative 3 and 1. Both solutions will work.